Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is 7eLEVIN if this is your first time here. So today I'm going to be doing a quick review on this frontal wig that I have by UNICE hair. It is a 360 frontal wig, if you can see. Y'all, the review is going to be really quick, like I said, because I'm on a really tight time crunch. It is about 4:15 and I have a rehearsal dinner to be at 6 o'clock for Jaylen's wedding. Jay Boo is getting married tomorrow, so I have to make this really quick. I just wanted to come in and just give y'all a quick review of the hair. So we had to get frontal wigs for the wedding for our hair, and we're gonna wear them in slick ponytails. Jaylen installed them today. Jayy installed them today for me and for the rest of the bridal party. She started yesterday, so Thursday, today's Friday. She started yesterday with installing the wigs, braiding everybody down, just getting us prepped for tomorrow. And so she was like, you ought to go home and do a review of the wig. At least that'll be some more content for you. So I was like, yeah, that's a good idea. Why not? So she went ahead and installed the wig for me. She braided me down. And y'all, look, when I tell you slayed, what frontal? What's frontal? The hair is super soft, bouncy, and it is flowing. Y'all know me personally. Y'all know I typically stick with one hair company, but I'm now open to kind of, expanding and broaden my horizons on different hair. So Jaylen swears by UNICE hair, so she was like, y'all get this wig. It was inexpensive, for the wedding. And y'all, honestly, I really like the wig. It is really soft. Look at how flowy it is. Beautiful hair. And I know this is really quick, so it's not going to be very long, but I'll just kind of give y'all an update. So this is the beginning, and then I'll wear it for maybe like a week or so, and just to see how it's going to go through the weekend, because for the wedding, I don't know if we're going to be outside or inside, so we'll see how it stands up over, getting in the shower, the weather for the weekend, because it is still very hot here in Alabama. It is about 92-93 degrees, so it's still very hot. So see if it's gonna withstand humidity. This is my first time getting a frontal. Y'all, I'm obsessed with this. Wow, this is my first time getting a frontal. I always typically get a silk based closure. This is a lace 360 frontal, and it is really comfortable. I don't feel like my edges are super sticky or that it feels like it's all the way down on my forehead, but then again, that is solely, based off of Jaylen, because she just knows how to slay a good wig. And if Jayy is not doing your hair, you're just not winning. And that's just that on that. But I'm really liking the hair so far. I'm going to give y'all some updates on it. I probably will still record it on my phone. And then probably by the end of next week, we'll say, then I'll give y'all an update. But I'll just kind of, go through the weekend just to see how the wig lasted. But yeah, she basically just put it on. She did not sew it down, and she glued the front, to have it laid. But it's pretty much, I'm not gonna lift it up, but I could lift it up if I needed to. And everybody got the same frontal. But y'all, it is super nice UNICE hair. And yeah, so we'll just keep y'all updated in this video. And after today, our best friend is gonna be a married woman, so yeah, see y'all then. Hey guys, so just a quick update to give you a little,
So I'm the stylist. I created this flawless look, okay?
Flawless.
This is a full lace wig by UNICE.
And it has withstood the humidity, the wedding, all day. How long have we had this? For about
5 hours.
Long time.
I recommend purchasing a unit.
And congratulations to Jaylen and Gerald. They're married. Photobomb. Damn. Look at those laces. Look at that lace. Alright guys, so as promised, I am back after the wedding and giving you an update on the 360 frontal. So I did go ahead and wash the frontal just after the wedding. I washed it last night, so today is Wednesday. Yes, today is Wednesday. And I went ahead and washed the frontal last night because I was gonna do my update, but then it was a little sticky because Jay had to put some products in the hair, obviously, to keep the ponytail really slick throughout the weather and just throughout the day. So I went ahead and washed the frontal, and it did go back to its natural state, which was the body wave. And I went ahead and straightened it back out, and it popped right back to life. Now, I will say when I was washing it and just over the few days, so the wedding was Saturday, but I washed it Tuesday. So just over those few days, I really didn't do much. I kind of went out, ran some errands, but typically my hair was still in a ponytail for the majority of the time. So of course the products had time to kind of get in the hair and soak up, you know, within the shaft or whatever. So I will say, because the hair is not like, the frontal itself is not like super thick hair, it did absorb the product. So of course, like, you know, with some hairs, when it's not like super coarse, if it's really soft hair, it can kind of get like oily almost and kind of look like it's getting a little sticky. So it did do that, but once I washed it out, it went right back to normal, so it was fine. And I just blow dried it and straightened it with my flat irons, and it still held up pretty well for sure. No complaints. Now, throughout the wedding, like you saw in the last clip, everybody's hair was flawless. The frontal stayed. Now, I have not had any problems with it. Just a little bit of where, you know, the glue is kind of starting to gather a little bit. I don't think that has anything to do with like the application or the installation of the wig, more so than myself. I've been going to sleep on it, and I sleep kind of wild, so when I tie it down, I'm probably not tying it as tight as I could, but nonetheless, the frontal is not lifting itself. All of the edges are still intact, and it's basically the same way that Jay made it from the beginning. Like I said, I washed it. When I washed it, I did not wash like my actual scalp or like around where the glue is, just so it doesn't lift, because obviously I have to go to work tomorrow, so I don't know how to reapply the frontal myself. So that I did not bother her and have to have her do the whole frontal. I just did not wash like around my hairline, but everywhere else I did wash it, and it just snapped back to life. I've actually enjoyed wearing the frontal. Like I said, this was my first time wearing a 360 frontal, or a frontal at all for that matter. So I think I maintained it pretty well. It has not been hard maintenance at all. Now, would I get another frontal? Probably so. Maybe try out a different frontal that UNICE has, or just take one of Jay's recommendations. But overall, I do like the hair itself. So it is body wave hair, if I'm not mistaken. When I washed it and it was back in its natural state, it did have that body wave texture and wave to it. I'm not sure the exact origin of the hair. I don't think it said it, but I will drop a link of the hair where you can purchase it on their site in the description box down below. But overall, y'all, it has held up really well. Like I said, I was able to wash it, straighten it. I didn't add any more products to it, and I didn't condition the wig once I washed it. I just shampooed it, blow dried it, straightened it back out, just because I didn't want the conditioner to make the hair too heavy and then it gets sticky again or oily. So I just lifted it out to avoid like any extra oils. But overall, it has held up really well. So if you are looking for an inexpensive 360 frontal, maybe for like a quick occasion and you don't want to have to, you know, spend a bag on hair, I would highly recommend this one from UNICE. The name of the wig itself was the BettyLou series with the natural hairline, and the price point for the wig, starting with a 12-inch length going to 26 inches, ranged between $91 and $263. We got the 20-inch frontal, so those were about $150 to $160. But yes, I would definitely recommend very inexpensive wig with good quality hair. I hope you all have liked my review. If you want to see more reviews like this, definitely leave me a comment down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Y'all, this has been really fun. I've enjoyed myself, and yeah, I'll see you all next time. Bye, guys.